We are gathered here to witness and celebrate the marriage of these couples and ask God to bless them so they will be strengthened in their life together. Anyway, good morning. Is there anybody here who knows of any impediment to the marriage about to be contracted between these couples? At ako montra ating wedding? No one? Very good. Let us continue. Sige, Julianne, are you here of your own free will and volition to bind yourself and love and service to your husband-to-be?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Jonathan, are you here of your own free will and volition to bind yourself in love and service to your wife-to-be? Very good. I ask you now in the presence of this witness to declare your intention to enter in union with each other. Jonathan, will you have Julianne to be your wife, to live together in marriage? Will you love her, comfort her, honor her, keep her in sickness and in health, forsaking all others, be faithful to her as long as you shall live? Very good. Julianne, will you have Jonathan to be your husband, to live together in marriage? Will you love him, comfort him, honor him, keep him in sickness and in health, forsaking all others, be faithful to him as long as you both shall live?
Yes, ma'am.
Good. Hindi yung sing-sing pakikuha na. A ring is a symbol of wholeness and perfection. So, follow after me, Jonathan. I give you this ring as a sign of my vow, and with all that I am, all that I have, I honor you. That's what Malaysians say. Very good. Julia, follow after me also. I give you this ring as a sign of my vow, and with all that I am, all that I have, I honor you. Very good. Oh, sige, harap naman tayo dito. Ano naman pong payo? Ano naman payo po natin? Yan, kasal, payo in wish.
Ready, Mayor?
Payo.
Ang pagmamahal ng mga kasi nagigad na kayo. Alam na naman kung saan kayo dito. God bless.
Thank you.
Tanong maya.
Right, sir.
Ang wish ko kanya anak ko, being your auntie, sabi ko matagtutuloy iti, ayan do. And always na nakasentro kay tinang po Diyos, tapno the relationship as long. Always remember anak ko nga, ayan na kayo. Tutuloy nyo di makipaglaki na ako. Basta yung tinangguan. Sumama kayo. It's like yun na magmahalan kayo hanggang yun lang. Love you.
Thank you.
Yes, ko kanya ito puro nila ako mati panaging mayat ito nga diwa. Ano kung amoy bayan nagitigas bagyo. Ang runaan lang mo na ito mandang kang umaman ti apo ko.
Thank you.
God bless you. I love you.
Mano kaya ito kanina? Talaga sa gasa kayo, mabalin. Tano, importante, ito mo na lalaki. Ting babae. Tano, napaspanigan. Di basta duwala.
Yes. Anyway, ang samo kayo natuwan. Gawa mo si Ima ng Jonathan. Julianne, ang namat vows mo, kino Jonathan. Promise as a wife to be.
thank you for everything. Thank you that you have done. Kaya man nata si katindad ni Apo kaniyak. Amin nga sacrifices mo, I appreciate all of those. And I will always love you until my last breath in heaven.
Thank you. Jonathan, ano naman vows mo to your wife-to-be?
As long as I have a breath, I will bring you the eternal love till death do us apart.
Very
I
good.
love you.
Sige, hawakan mo pa rin yung kamay niya and follow after me. I hereby take you, Julian,
I hereby take you, Julian,
to be my wife,
to be my wife,
to have and to hold,
to have and to hold,
to be one of heart,
to be one of heart,
one soul,
one soul,
and one affection.
one affection.
From this day forward,
From this day forward,
for better or for worse,
for better or for worse,
for richer or for poorer,
for richer or for poorer,
in sickness and in health,
sickness and health,
to love
to love,
and to cherish
cherish,
until we be parted by death.
until divided by death.
This is my solemn vow.
This is my solemn vow.
Follow after me also. Julian, I hereby take you, Jonathan,
I hereby take you, Jonathan,
to be my husband,
to be my husband,
to have and to hold,
to have and to hold,
to be one of heart,
to be one heart,
one soul,
one soul,
and one affection.
and one affection.
From this day forward,
From this day forward,
for better or for worse,
for better or for worse,
for richer or for poorer,
for richer or for poorer,
in sickness and in health,
in sickness and in health,
to love
to love
and to cherish
and to cherish,
until we be parted by death.
until we departed by death.
This is my solemn vow.
This is my solemn vow.
Okay? By the virtue of the powers vested in me by the laws of the Republic of the Philippines, I, Benjamin Loren Quaresma III, Municipal Mayor of Bambang Nueva Vizcaya, confirm the bond of marriage which you have contracted and now pronounce you newly wedded husband and wife. Sige, you may now kiss the bride. Sino na nag-picture? Sige, first, please.
First,
Nakala, madam?
Hello.
May sakay ka naman.
one more.
Pabay-bay namin mas.
Okay.
May sama.
Oh, anyway, sige Apo.
Ako muna.
Witness kayo man, nagpirma ka? Witness na the signing of the certificate of marriage.
Ako dito ka euro ko lang kayo dito muna And then, bigyan siguro. Four copies po?
Signature o printed name mo?
Po,
Sign
signature na lang po. Euro pa lang Four copies na.
Ni Sunshine Pipe.
Sige, tawagan ko na yun.
So ito kayo, Vizcaya, if ever, or Ilocos?
I'm planning to get married soon.
Canada.
Canada Mayor.
Canada. Where in Canada?
And you think I'm the brother seat.
Oh, good luck naman ito. Nagpunta na ako. Kailan biyahe?
January 32.
Malamig pa rin ito. Actually, advice ko, mas murang thermal suit. Bili na tayo maraming thermal. Hindi ako bumili lang sa Shopee. Hindi, napimpin na siya thermal tayo. Hindi matikit yung thermal tayo siya oversize, parang mahaba. Diba, is Asian size. Pero good luck over there. Madaling makaipon to. Totoo. Hindi kami na dati friends ko dyan. Hindi yung friends ko dyan Toronto. Renting pa rin. Yung mga friends ko. Cost of living. At saka yung cost of living sa Ontario, malaki. Nagiging friends ko nasa probinsya din siya. Patawag balay ka. Oo, basta masipag ka lang. Imagine nyo, ang amortization na si Balay. Congratulations. Yes. Picture tayo. Yung mga kaibigan ko na nakataon din nito ba? Bakit? Favorite stinger for me to eat. So that very good.
Sige, mababali.
Sorry, how about you? Dapat Canada gusto. Big talaga. Gimana?
Manang. Manang.
Hindi yung full laing yan.
Sabi ko nga yan.
Hindi yung full.
Kasi bang yan?
Ito yung bakit.
Sudah tayo lang.
Sige.
One, two, three. Isa pa.
Yung may tingin na. Oo, ganyan. Ganyan.
One, two, three. Saan nando?
Okay. Okay. Next. Amin din.
Group po, lahat.
Pare.
Okay.
Iba. One, two, three. Okay.
Okay. Sige. Thank you.
Dalawa kayo.
Congratulations.